Hello everyone, in today's lab we will solve designing and querying big table schema. So first of all, what is big table? See, big table is managed NoSQL database service designed for large scale low latency workloads. It is generally recommended for datasets that exceeds 1 TB or for workload that requires thousands of operations per second. So what is the use cases of this? Real time analytics for tech and IoT data ingestion for and analysis, and personalized recommendations for e-commerce and financial market data analysis. Let's go to explore a big table instance to the console. They provided us they pre-created big table instance and table for us. So let's log into the lab. I log in into the Google console. Let's search big table. As you can see that they already created a instance name personalized sales. You can see that in our this cluster ID only one node is allocated, and we use they use the storage SSD. So let's go to our lab. What is the total number of nodes allocated to clusters in the instance? 1. Click submit. After that, what is the storage type for the instance? SSD. Submit. How many clusters are contained in the instance? You can see only here only one cluster is this one, so one cluster. Submit. What is the name of the cluster ID for this instance? So we need to tell cluster ID. Cluster ID is personalized sales cluster 1. Cluster 1 personalized sales cluster 1. Wait, cluster 1 node as. Submit. What is the node scaling mode for the cluster? To see which node scaling mode we used for the cluster, click here in edit instances, and this is our cluster. Go to edit section. As you can see that the node scaling mode is manual allocation, and we also can change it. Manual allocation. How many nodes are allocated in the cluster? So go back and back. Overview. You can see that in this cluster only one node is. So click here one. What is the cluster ID? Is the table associated with. Which cluster ID is the table associated with? We already seen it. It is associated with the personalized sales cluster 1. So see, there will be one instance, and in that instance there will be many cluster, and inside the cluster there can be many nodes. This is actual structure of the instance in big table. In second task we have to configure the big table CLI. So remember, whenever you will connect to your big table instance, you need to configure your instance and instance name, instance ID and project in cbtrc file. Go to the cloud cell. See, this is gcloud config get value project. This will give us a project id and we will save it in project. This will give us project id and we will save it in cbtrc. It will save instance id as instance in cbtrc. If you want to see what is saved, use cat, copy it, paste it here. You can see that our in cbtrc project and instance is saved, so our configuration is completed. If you want to create a table, then use cbt. After that, create table and create table name, press enter. You can see this is big table structure. There will be a unique row key and there will be some columns, and you can group them in column family. So there will be column family, and inside that there can be multiple columns. This is basic structure of the big. If you want to create a column family, then you can simply see cbt for table big big table and create family. After that, table name and family, column family, copy it, paste it here. It will create a column family name instruction, and for sales column family, run this command. You can see table by this cbt ls list test sessions table name, table id. It created interaction and sales families.
नहीं साले आगे चालू कर ले तो अभी तक आ रहा था भाई देखना देखो नाम कैसे तेरे सीवा हो गया चलोगे कोचिंग कोचिंग चलोगे ना कल